The Renegade Row is a compound movement that involves doing a dumbbell row while in a push-up position. By adding a push-up in between each row, we can get a full upper body movement that targets the back muscles, chest, triceps, and core. Start off in a push-up position with the dumbbell in each hand. Perform a push-up, then bring one dumbbell to your ribcage. Do another push-up, and then do a row with the other arm. Wider stance while maintaining a flexed core will help you form a stable base so you don't wobble too much. It's probably a good idea to use regular dumbbells instead of plate-loaded dumbbells like I have here, but we make the best with what we got. If you do find yourself wobbling a bit, it can help to imagine pushing your non-rowing hand into the ground to increase stability of the shoulder joint. If you're in a hurry, try supersetting this exercise with a lower body movement like squats or lunges, or go all in on the lats and do some pull-ups in between each set. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to spend some time outdoors today, and when you come back, check out these other videos. Thank you for watching.